Yo,
Better.
this works.
You're
Yeah.
becoming a crook. You want to run away from me.
No, I want to come towards you. I don't want to run away from you. No.
Oh, God. Okay.
So what's this paper?
Eh?
I didn't print
You
out paper.
didn't print your paper?
Nah, I don't think you sent it to me.
No. Was I supposed to send it to you? Or you were supposed to tell me what you want to be?
I don't
You
know, sir.
want to send me the list of things you want us to go cover for revision.
Oh,
Remember?
wow.
So
Yeah.
you and your sister, the same problem, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, go and get your red book then. We can do something.
Right. I got my red book.
Yeah. Okay, so let's revise this. Okay, page 175.
All right.
Okay, so we're going to look at example 5. It's a long time we did that, so let's go over it. Yeah, so don't forget, you need to send me the list of the topics you want me to cover because you are preparing for your, is it a test or whatever?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what you need to do. Not me choosing what you want to cover. No, it's you because you know exactly what you see. You see, you're not sure.
Yeah. Got it.
Okay, so let's look at example 5 because we did a long time back, so you might have forgotten. So say what values must be excluded from domain of function f of x equals 5 over x minus 3. Okay, so I said what you need to do is look at the denominator. Okay, what you are trying to do is to see that you make the denominator 0. So the only way we can make the denominator 0 there is
X
to
is
put
3.
the value of 3 as for x. Yeah?
Yeah.
So if you put a value of 3, it's going to be 5 over 3 minus 3, which is equal to 5 over 0. So when you enter 5 over 0 on your calculator, tell me what you get.
0.
No, try. Use your calculator and do.
5 over 0.
Yes, 5 divided by 0.
Okay. Oh, math error.
Yeah, it doesn't say 0. No.
Why?
Don't get confused. 0 divided by 2 is going to be 0. But 2 divided by 0 is math error. B.
Yeah.
So again, they're asking. So what you need to do is to equate what is inside there.
It should be 0.
So you're going to have 2x.
Yeah.
Minus 1 is equal to 0. That's what you need to do.
Yeah.
Then 2x equals 1, and then I divide by 2. I divide by 2. So x equals 0.5. So which means if you put x is equal to 0.5, then it means it's going to be square rooted by what? Minus 1? Yeah, 1 minus 1 is going to be 0. Yeah, so that's why. So it's going to be less than, so 2x is less than 1. Therefore, x is less than 0.5. So which means the domain of gx must exclude x less than
0.5.
to 0.5. Okay.
Yeah.
Now let's do the exercise 3. See what.